Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send USDC from Revolut to Binance in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly, whether you're trading, investing, or just managing your digital assets. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident making this transfer without any hiccups. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have both the Revolut and Binance apps updated on your device. Start by opening Revolut and logging into your account. Head over to the Crypto tab, where you'll see your USDC balance. Select USDC to begin the withdrawal process. It's crucial to double-check that you're using the correct network. USDC is typically on the Ethereum blockchain, so make sure that's selected to avoid any failed transactions. Now, switch to your Binance app. Go to the Wallet section, then select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, depending on your setup. Find your USDC wallet address by searching for USDC in the deposit options. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string, so no typos allowed. Back in Revolut, paste the Binance wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, and review the details like fees and estimated arrival time. Blockchain fees can vary, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the USDC should appear in your Binance wallet within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always verify the wallet address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean losing your money forever. Also, in 2025, regulations might have changed, so stay updated with app notifications. There you have it, you've just sent USDC from Revolut to Binance like a pro. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.